Did you just finish up a round of antibiotics? You'd be wondering, oh my gosh, I think my gut's out of whack. What can I do to get it back on track? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna give you my protocol, don't tell anyone else, on what I recommend to get your gut back on track when you have taken antibiotics. I'll give you the 5-step approach I give to get your gut feeling better and hopefully improve your gut microbiome, especially if you've taken a round of antibiotics. Guys, let's talk about food. Howdy, I'm Dr. Islam. I'm a board certified gastroenterologist trained at the Mayo Clinic. I have over 10 years of treating thousands of patients with GI issues. If you haven't already, don't forget to smash that like button, like, share, and subscribe. And if you live here locally, come see Lubbock Gastro for all your GI needs. And if you want more information on what you can do to optimize your gut health, don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter. So tip number 1, you need to incorporate probiotics and prebiotics in your regimen. After you take a round of antibiotics, what happens is that those antibiotics just destroy and wipe out your gut microbiome. So basically, you're starting back at zero. And what happens commonly is that you have some remnants of bad bacteria that will start to overpopulate and just take over your GI tract. So I need you to take the initiative of improving your gut health. So incorporate as much probiotics and prebiotics in your diet as much as you can. So have strains like Lactobacillus, Saccharomyces. Get yourself a high quality probiotic and start taking 1 pill a day to improve your health from the inside out. Number 2, bring on the fermented foods. Yes, fermented foods are nature's way to naturally improve your gut. They have their own probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics in them themselves. And pick whatever fermented food you have and incorporate them into your diet. Things like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, cabbage. Do what you can to naturally improve your health. I love cabbage and I incorporate cabbage into my diet every single day. And when I've taken an antibiotic for an infection, I'll take more cabbage to improve my gut health naturally. Fermented foods are nature's way to improve your gut health. They have their own vitamins and minerals, but like I mentioned before, they have their own prebiotics and probiotics, which are natural ways to improve your health. And a bonus tip, they taste good and they're easy to add to your meals. Now, tip number 3, feed the bacteria. Now, the best way to do this is incorporate as much fiber as you can. Fiber is a fertilizer and the foundation for gut health. All your bacteria, especially the good guys, want as much fiber as you can to improve their health, to get them feeling better naturally and fuller as well. So incorporate as much fiber as you can in your diet. Things like garlic, onions, bananas. These are prebiotic to help improve your gut microbiome naturally. But adding as much plants and vegetables also are the natural prebiotics, especially the fiber, to give your good guys the boost they need to get them feeling better. Number 4, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. You'd be surprised how much hydration plays a role when it comes to improving your gut health. After antibiotics, your body needs as much hydration as you can. So what I recommend, have 2 cups in the morning, 1 cup before each meal, and 2 cups before you go to bed. This regimen I have found to be effective when it comes to giving you enough hydration to improve your health. And an added bonus tip, consider adding lemons to your hydration mix, because lemons themselves also have digestion powers, antioxidants, detox mechanisms, and actually have their own prebiotics in them as well. So you're giving yourself an added boost by drinking lemon water. Then number 5, watch what you eat. There is no point in replenishing your gut microbiome if you're gonna go ahead and have crap to eat afterwards. So eliminate those processed foods. Get rid of those junk foods, at least for a little bit, until you can repopulate your gut microbiome. Keep in mind that processed foods, sugar foods, and fried foods, they actually feed the bad guys. So you're incorporating things that your bad guys love, which can destroy your gut from the inside out. Stick to whole foods, whole grains, fruits and vegetables, so you can give your good guys the chance to replenish their gut microbiome naturally. These are my tips I give to my patients once they've had antibiotics to improve their gut microbiome, and it's worked for thousands of patients. Let me know in the comments down below, have you tried anything? What has worked? What hasn't worked? Have you tried a regimen to improve yourself naturally as well? I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, like, share, and subscribe, and come see us Lubbock Gastro for all your GI needs. If you want more information on what you can do to improve your health naturally, I'll put some video links right here.